Learning objectives. After completing this tutorial, you should be able to, number 1, find the slope of a line when 2 points are given. Find the y-intercept of the line using the slope and 1 point on the line. Number 3, find the equation of the straight line. Number 4, draw the graph of the equation using 2 points. Required steps. Find the slope of the line using m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Number 2, plug the value of the slope and the coordinates of one of the given points in the y equal to mx plus b to get the y-intercept. Number 3, use the y equal to mx plus b to get the equation of the straight line. Number 4, use the both given points to draw the straight line on the graph. Question. Find the slope, y-intercept and equation of the straight line that passes through point 22 and point 34. Also, draw the graph of the straight line. Let's do this exercise. First, we will follow the required steps. So according to required steps, first we have to find out the slope. So we are going to get the value of slope first. When 2 points are given, remember our first point is 2, 2. So we are assuming it is x1 and it is y1. And second point is 3, 4. So again we are assuming 3 is our x2 and this 4 is our y2. This 2 we are assuming is our x1 and this point is our first point and this point is our second point. And this 3 we are assuming it is our x2 and this 4 we are assuming this is our y2. We know when 2 points are given, then slope will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let's substitute the values of y2 and y1. So in this case, y2 is 4. So insert 4 here. And now we need y1. Our y1 is 2. So I'm writing 2 here. Divided by x2. Now we need x2. Our x2 is 3. So I'm substituting 3 here. And our x1 is 2. So I'm substituting 2 here. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So our slope is 2. We did the step 1. We already finished. Second step is we have to find out the y-intercept. So second step, we have to calculate the y-intercept, that is b. We have to find out the b, value of the b. How we will find intercept? You must need one point. You can use any of the points. So here I'm using first point 2 2. So I'm assuming here this 2 is our x and this 2 is our y. Since we know from slope intercept form y is equal to mx plus b, in this case our y is 2 and our x is also 2, right? So what you have to do here, just substitute the values of x and y and m. So x we have 2 and slope we have here. Remember, we have slope here. This is our slope, which is 2. So m times m is 2, and y-intercept we don't know. The value of y we can get from here. The value of y is 2. So 2 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 plus b, and you can move this 4 here. So 2 minus 4 equal to b, and 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 2, and we have b equal to minus 2. So the final value of the b will be minus 2. So we also got the y-intercept as well. Okay, so we did the second step as well. Now we have to find out the equation. So let's calculate the equation number 3. We have to find out the equation of straight line. Equation of the straight line. To get the equation of the straight line, we know slope intercept form y equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to, we will substitute the value of m and b here. So we know our slope is m, which is here, which is 2. So we are substituting value of m, which is 2, and we also need x. Sorry, because we are calculating x, so no need to replace the value of x. So 2x plus value of y-intercept, which is minus 2. So minus 2. So y is equal to 2x plus minus is minus 2. So we got the equation as well. Okay. So equation of the straight line is 2x, y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now we will draw the graph. Let's do it. This is our graph. We already know the 2 points, which is P1 is 2 and 2 and P2 is 3 and 4. So let's draw draw it. First we will make our x-axis. So I'm representing this is our x-axis, and this one is our y-axis. The first point is, if you check, is x1 y1. So x1 is 2 and y1 is 2. So 1 2 1 2. This is our first point, P1. Second point is 3 and 4. X is positive 3, so 1 2 3, and y is positive 4, so 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4. This is our second point, P2. You can draw the third points by using the slope, and our slope is 2. Since we know m is rise over run, so we have, if you see here, our rise is 2 and run is 1. So from this point, your rise is 2, it means you have to go 2 units up, and your run is only 1, so you have to go towards positive side because value of run is positive, so you have to go here. So that will be your third point. If you want to draw the fourth point, again you have to use the slope. So rise is 2 units up, so from this point you have to go 2 units up like this, and then 1 unit towards positive x-axis side because run is 1. So you are here, that is your fourth point. So this one is your third point, and this one is your fourth point. You can draw a straight line. You can draw this way. Okay. You don't need so many points. I have explained in detail so that you should have some better understanding. But you just need 2 points, and 2 points will be enough for you. You don't need too many points. I hope you have understood the concept how to find the slope, y-intercept, and equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. Please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.